know, being able to buy something is one thing, but can you afford it is another. Hey kiddies, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I'm Marilyn, and I'm bringing you all things beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, even some fragrance. So if you like that kind of stuff, don't waste my time. Don't waste your time. Just take the time to subscribe. Okay, kiddies, so this video is in collaboration with Teddy Blake New York. Yes, okay. They sent me such a gorgeous bag. Now, I was supposed to quickly just mention this to you in maybe a different video, but when I actually saw the bag, because I've already unboxed this, it inspired this entire video, and it gave me the idea to, of course, show you the bag. But I'm going to show you the fragrances that inspire this style of bag, and I thought it would really be fun to just combine the two because beauty, fashion, fragrance kind of just collide. It literally goes hand in hand. So let's get into it because I'm really excited about this. Now, like I said, I did already unbox this bag, and I'll insert a quick video so you can get the luxury of the unboxing and the initial view of the bag, okay?
You lead me to paradise.
So now that you've seen a snippet of that unboxing, because I was too excited, okay, I had to open it and I couldn't wait really to do the video. I had to open it. So you already saw that. Now, this is the bag. It comes in this nice duster, okay, and let me go ahead and just show you this bag and what inspired this entire video. And this is her. It's called the Emily Raffia, and this is the 11-inch, and this is what she looks like, okay? Now, this bag to me is such a gorgeous everyday bag. This represents like elevated casual. Okay, so when I see this bag, I think every day, and I purposely look for a bag that I can get a lot of use out of, that I can wear every day, and just sort of aligns with my style. And this absolutely does. I mean, it looks like an elevated beach bag almost, and I am in Florida, and this is very representative of where I live. Okay, very representative of that. And the gold hardware, the weaving basket type of look, it's just a gorgeous design. And I was like, you know what, I'm gonna get use out of this. It comes in a gorgeous baby blue color. The only reason I didn't get that is because I wanted to get everyday use out of it. So black gold hardware was the way to go for me, okay? Now, these are what we would consider affordable luxury. Very affordable luxury. Now, bags these days, people can go a little crazy over handbags and spend thousands of dollars for bags. Now, this bag is an affordable, luxurious bag. So affordable is not the same as cheap, okay? Let's get that out there. These bags can range anywhere from $450 up to $700. This is made with Italian leather, real premium Italian leather, and they're even designed by some of the same Italian designers that are working with the luxury brands that you may be familiar with. So some of the same designers working in the same factories as the brands that are costing you tens and thousands of dollars. Now, I don't know about you, me personally, I find it hard to spend thousands on a handbag. And the way I like to look at it, if you're gonna spend $10,000 on a bag, of course you're gonna have to be able to afford it. So if you can spend $10,000 on a designer bag, at any moment you should be able to pull $10,000 out of your account and put it into that bag. If you can't do that, then I'm gonna hold your hand when I tell you this. You probably can't afford it. You probably can't afford it. You probably can't afford it. Because we know being able to buy something is one thing, but can you afford it is another. Many of us can find a way to get a bag that is $6,000 and $10,000 and even more than that, but I won't even utter that number out of my mouth, but there are bags that are more than that. So if you can buy the bag, you should be able to pull cash out of your account and put it in that bag. You know what I'm saying? That means it aligns. That means you can afford it. That means you are staying within your means. Now, if you cannot do that, friend, I'm holding your hand and I'm telling you, you can't afford it. Put it back. We have Teddy Blake, who's making the very same designs, using the same designers in the same factory, and giving you the brands at a more affordable price. Not cheap, affordable. And I say all of that to say we can still do luxury, but we're going to do it quietly, because luxury is seen, it's never heard. It doesn't yell at you. We don't have to be a walking billboard to look and feel expensive. So me and my Teddy Blake from Italy, don't even play with me. Me and my Teddy Blake from Italy are going to show you how we do luxury quietly and at an affordable price. So let's get into some of these fragrances, and I'm also going to go over a few looks that I think matches the look of this particular bag, which is elevated casual. So we're going to talk about some elevated casual outfits, but we're going to tie it in with elevated casual fragrances that I have in my collection that just goes so perfectly with this. And I'm so inspired by this bag, and I really appreciate Teddy Blake for sending this over because I love it. And this is so much of Florida. So much Florida. Very Boca. Very luxury shopping by the beach. Clock that. All right, so when I first saw the bag, a few fragrances came to mind, but the very first one that popped in my head was this one. Okay, now this is by Lattafa, also affordable, but this smells to me so beautiful and expensive. It literally smells like the best summer, okay, like an expensive summer. This is a great fragrance for daytime, and to me, I think I could wear it at night, and it is called Petra. Now, Petra has some mixed reviews. I recently saw that Petra has some mixed reviews, and the people either love this or they hate this. There's no middle ground. There's no middle ground, and I happen to be on the end that absolutely loves this fragrance. It has rum, there's plum, there's tuberose, coconut. This is a super smooth, elevated, very grown and sexy, definitely a sophisticated fragrance. It lasts long, it has such great projection, and it smells expensive. Okay, it smells expensive. Like, this is the type of fragrance where if you are going to wear casual clothes, you're going to have to be elevated casual. Okay, elevated casual. So think linen pants, very easy, great for summer, but they do look sophisticated. So linen pants, and even if you do like a button up or a linen shirt, buttoned up, a little open, very kind of similar to what I have on now, rolled up at the sleeves, really nice jewelry, a nice necklace, and a really nice bag. Which we have bag check. The bag check, we have that. This particular fragrance, when it comes to the, did I give you the notes of it? So it's like it has a top note of rum, there's plum, I think I said it, tuberose and coconut. So it has a strong douse of that plum and rum at the top note, almost spicy in a way, but it is smoothed out a bit by the coconut. And it's also sweet. It has a base of vanilla and praline, so it has sweetness to it, and it's extremely long lasting, and it projects very well. So it creates a scent bubble as well as a scent trail, and I think this is worth every single penny. Love this, and I think it's perfect with that entire look or the theme of the video, which is elevated casual. Okay, now I can't talk about elevated casual without mentioning this classic fragrance, and it's YSL Libre. This is the original one. This is a white floral, fresh citrus scent that I think is perfect when we talk about elevated casual. When I wear Libre, it's typically only in the daytime. I'm gonna wear jeans. I'm even going to wear a t-shirt. It's going to be a nice t-shirt, very fitted, has structure. I'm going to do accessories, a really great watch, a nice bracelet, earrings, and a nice simple glam. Okay, very probably a little less than what I'm doing now, but a nice simple glam, like clean makeup, a little teeny wing liner, a nude lip, and bronzer, and a nice glowy finish to the makeup. Okay, so it's still casual, but it's extremely put together. This fragrance is very put together. When I smell it, I don't think just jeans and t-shirt. It has to be elevated jeans and t-shirt. Casual, but accessorized, clean. I just love YSL Libre, and this thing lasts so freaking long. I'll pop the notes of the fragrance on the screen, but again, this is like a white floral. It's fresh and it has like a citrus, a little bit powdery, and I keep putting it to my nose, but I know what it smells like, but I'm inclined to smell it. And that is such a perfect fragrance when you pair a look like jeans and t-shirt, accessorized with a nice bag and nice jewelry, and you do your mall run, you do your coffee run your errands, but you still look good. You still look good. And you still look put together, and you look like you brought some effort. Like when it comes to me, if I'm gonna show, like me personally, if I'm gonna show up, even if it's something casual, I'm gonna do a little something, okay? It's very rarely that I'm gonna look like I just rolled out of bed. Like if we meeting up to do something, baby, even if it's only casual, I'm not gonna just I'm gonna throw on something, but I'm not gonna look thrown together, if you know what I'm saying. It's just not me, friend. It's just not me. And there are little things that you can use to create that elevation in a casual outfit. Fragrance is one, a nice bag is another, and accessories. I mean, if you have all of those things, you're gonna look put together, and your hair needs to be put together too. Even if it's just a bun, make the bun sleek, make it neat. Nice lip gloss, you know, you don't have to have on lashes, but do the mascara. Take the steps. Now, another fragrance that I have in my collection that is elevated casual, it's also an oldie goldie, it's a classic. It's C by Giorgio Armani, C Passion. And this has a lot of notes, and it has one of my favorite notes in the top, which is pear. I believe it has like pear, black currant. There's so many notes. In this fragrance, there's top note of pear, black currant, pink pepper, grapefruit. It has a middle note of pineapple, rose, jasmine, heliotrope, and a base note of vanilla, cedar, patchouli, and ambergris. So this is fresh, fruity. It's a little woody, bright. I consider it uplifting, casual, but say it with me, elevated. So nice. I mean, cute. Just a simple black tee. Now, a black tee is like a uniform for me. A black tee and jeans is a uniform for me. But guess what? I'm gonna dress it up. I'm gonna dress it up, and it's gonna be with my hair. It's gonna be with my face, with my jewelry. You know, like we talked about. But this particular fragrance is really nice in the daytime. It's a really nice summer fragrance. It's not too in your face. The only downfall of this, it does not last very long. I mean, it can last about 4 hours on the skin. I have a small bottle. If I want to reapply, I just drop it in my purse. I wish it lasts longer because it smells really good. I mean, it has pear, grapefruit, pink pepper. It's just a really great fragrance. I've had this for a while. I can't even remember the year it came out, but it's still a classic. All right, so the last fragrance that's on my list of casual fragrances, and casual elevated, that's our little theme today, is this one, and it's by Devotion. Devotion is another one I feel like that has mixed reviews. Anytime I mention Devotion on any of my videos, there's always one or two people that are like, I hate it, it smells like a house cleaner. How does it smell like a house cleaner though? How? This smells like a house cleaner? This is a fresh gourmand. This is the epitome of a summer gourmand. It's sweet, but it has that element of freshness, which is from the candy lemon, that makes it an easy grab for summertime. It's easily an everyday fragrance. This to me can be a signature scent for summer specifically. It lasts about 4 to 5 hours on the skin. It's a sweet citrus vanilla fragrance that I love. I don't understand how anyone would think this smells like something you can clean the house with. So this has a top note of candied lemon. There's panna cotta, and there's also orange blossom in the mid note, and then it has a base of vanilla. It also has rum in the mid note, and that's what gives it that sophistication to me. It just makes it really smooth, sexy, and adult gourmand for the summer. You can wear this year round, but it's just one of those few gourmands that you can actually pull off in summer without it, because it's not very thick. It has that freshness to it, and I just love this. And as time goes by, it smells better. I feel like it looks a little darker than when I first got it. So you smell so much of the vanilla with that hint of, well, no, I'm not gonna say a hint of lemon, because the lemon is powerful in this fragrance. So if you hate lemon, you probably won't love this, but do you see how, literally obsessed with this. Love it. Okay guys, so that was my elevated casual video. Okay, that purse or that handbag really inspired this video, and I like being able to combine the bag with the fragrances and the fashion just to completely be aligned with what my channel represents. But lately we've been getting into a lot of fragrance, girl, and all I can do is everything that I do, I want to think of perfume. So I really hope you enjoyed that video that was inspired by my Teddy Blake bag, and it's a real lesson on quiet luxury and also elevated casuals, and I definitely enjoyed the video, and I love being able to combine our perfume with our fashion, because all those things to me really go hand in hand, and I really want to do more content sort of combining them, you know? So if you have ideas, of course leave them in the comments. We love that. Don't forget to like the video, be sure to subscribe, and come back and watch another video. Bye y'all.